Well, hello and welcome. Today's topic is the endocrine system. But what is the endocrine system? Well, the endocrine system is the one that helps you carry messages all around your body to develop a specific function that you need. But how does he do that? Well, it has three major helpers that basically make up the endocrine system, which are the hormones, the glands, and the prostaglandins. I'm gonna explain each organ that produce and secretes hormones. There can be two types of glands: the exocrine glands, which release the hormones they create through tube-like structures called ducts out of the body or directly into the digestive system. On the other side, there are the endocrine glands. They release their hormones directly through the blood, which will transport it all through the body. Now, there are different types of glands. There's the hypothalamus, the pineal gland, the pituitary gland or the hypophysis, the thyroid gland, the parathyroid glands, the thymus, the pancreas, the two adrenal glands, the ovaries, and the testes. Now we're going to talk about hormones. A hormone is a substance that travels through your body and affects the activities of the cells. Every hormone has a specific chemical for a specific cell. This cell is called a target cell. Now, you must remember that for every hormone that exists, there is their opposing hormone, which will give a negative feedback of the hormone that it opposes. There's two types of hormones: the steroid hormones and the non-steroid hormones. The steroid hormones enters to the cell and changes its own DNA, and the non-steroid hormone doesn't even enter the cell.
The hypothalamus is a link between the nervous and endocrine system. Here we are showing the hypothalamus and the hypophysis. Little guy controls the pituitary gland with hormones. The activities of the hypothalamus are made from different information from the level of hormones and substances in the blood. It releases thyrotrophin, prolactin, gonadotrophin, and corticotrophin, which these hormones mostly affects the hypophysis. Then the hypothalamus sends information to the hypophysis and follows the orders of the hypothalamus. If there is not a good product of hormones, the development of metabolism cannot occur. This is called hypothyroidism.
Hi, I'm going to talk to you about the pituitary gland. This is your pituitary gland. It is part of the endocrine system and it is located at the base of your brain. Now you may be wondering, what is the pituitary gland for? Or you may not be wondering that, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Now the pituitary gland has three main functions: secretion of hormones, controlling other glands, and the regulation of some body functions. The first one, secretion of hormones, is about releasing hormones. One of these hormones is the antidiuretic ADH. This hormone travels through your bloodstream and then it affects other glands. Some of those glands are the thyroid, the adrenal glands, and the reproductive organs. This is the second function. The third function is the regulation of some body functions. The pituitary gland is in charge of controlling levels of water, sweating, urinating, drinking, and kidney action.
The thyroid gland. Its principal function is to regulate the metabolism of everything in your body, as well as the rhythm of the cellular respiration. This is all thanks to the hormone it secretes, called thyroxine. Now, you have to be careful, because if you don't have enough thyroxine, then you can have the disease called cretinism, in which neither the skeleton or the nervous system develops properly. This is very common in children because they don't have iodine. And now, if you have too much, then you can also have hyperthyroidism. Now, what is it? Well, it's a disease in which you can go from elevated body temperature to a heart attack. Now, if the thyroid enlarges, this is called goiter, then it can be a sign of hyperthyroidism. Be always careful. Now, the thyroid gland can also create calcitonin. This one tells to the kidneys to take less calcium, and the one that is not taken goes directly to the bones. Now, calcitonin has its opposing hormone called the parathyroid hormone, which increases the calcium to the kidneys and not into the bones.